Hi, in front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Devices settings right away. In Settings, click on Apps section. Then scroll down just a bit and click on Default Apps. Now you need to pick one of those options and click on the chosen one. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, tap on your new downloaded one in order to apply it. And then go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!